Hello, math champions. This is Mrs. Aisha Salah. Today we are going to learn writing expressions using GCF. Unit 1, Lesson 3. Let's start. The objective of this uh, lesson is to learn when to use GCF in life. We use GCF to find the relation between two numbers without any leftover. Make sure that you understand these words: relation between two numbers without any left over. And we have an example. Dina is making a bags for a group of friends. Each bag should have some number of sandwiches and water bottles. What is the greatest number of snack bags that she can make with no leftover? Dina made 60 sandwiches and 90 bottles. You can see from this example, the first thing we need to learn is to understand what is required from the story problem and what is the given information from the story problem. Here, the required is what is the greatest number of snack bags. He needs to know the GCF. And the required information is Dina made 60 sandwiches and 90 bottles. So we need to get the GCF between the two numbers 60 and 90. Let's see how to answer. First of all, we need to decompose 60 and 90. 60 is decomposed into 2 and 30. Of course, 2 is a prime number. It will need no more decomposing. But 30 need more decomposing. 30 equals to 5 and 6 is decomposed into 2 and 3. Now we have the prime factors of 62 multiply by 5, multiply by 2, multiply by 3. Now we move into 90. 90 equal 9 multiply by 10. Both of them are not prime factors, so we will keep decomposing. 9 is decomposed into 3 and 3. 10 is decomposed into 5 and 2. Now we will write the decomposing of both numbers. Considering what? Let's see. Yes. Considering writing the common numbers under each other, the common factors. And what about the non-common? We will leave space between under the non-common factor or above the non-common factor. Let's see, what is the GCF? GCF equal, yes, 2, the common factor, multiply by 3, another common factor, multiply by 5, another common factor. Who can tell me what is the result? Yes, I'm waiting. Yes. Excellent. It is 30. So, from that, the GCF, the greatest common number of packs Dina will use is 30. Now, we will move to another step to learn a new concept. Yes. Presenting the scenario by a relation. Now we want to present the things that Dina will do in a relation. 30 equal 30, which is the number of bags, multiply by what's in each bag is 2 sandwiches, number of sandwiches, plus 3 number of bottles, This is what? This is the scenario or what will be contained for each bag. 30 bags, each one contain 2 sandwiches and 3 buttons. What is this? This is the scenario, the relation representing what Adina will do. See, this is the main objective of the lesson, is how to present the GCF in scenario, how to use it in normal. Another thing to learn or to remember, not to learn, we learned it before. This is what, if you remember, this is the distributive property of multiplication. We use here the distributive property of multiplication. Now, let's have an example to make sure that we have understood this lesson. First of all, A, complete 8 between brackets 5 plus 4 equal what? Equal 40 plus space, complete the space. Now 8 multiplied by 5 will equal 40. 8 multiplied by 4 equal what? Yes, I want to hear you, my champions. Excellent. It is 32. This is what, champions, this is the distributive property of multiplication or multiplication distributive property. Okay, B. 3 between brackets multiply by 5 plus 4 equal what? Complete the space. Who can tell me? Yes, excellent. 3 multiply by 5 plus 3 multiply by 4. Excellent, Miss Janet. C. 21 plus 35 equal 7 between brackets 3 plus, who can tell me? Excellent. Between the 7 plus 7 multiplied by 5. You can see this is the distributive property. 21 is the 7 multiplied by 3 and 35 is 7 multiplied by 5. Now D, 18 plus 6 equal 6 between brackets, complete the space. Who can tell me the answer? Yes, I can hear you. Excellent. First space is 3 and the other one is 1. Excellent, math champions. And moving E, 18 plus 12 equals 6 between brackets and complete the space. Who can tell me? Yes, it is 3. Excellent, math champions. Now F space multiply by between brackets space plus space equal 5 multiplied by 7 plus 5 multiplied by 4. Who can tell me how to complete the space? Using the distributive property, we will find that it is a 5 multiplied by 7 plus 4. Excellent, champions. Excellent. You have made my day. 14 plus 21 equal 7 multiplied by and complete the space. Who can tell me? Very easy. Yes, it is 2 plus 3. Excellent question. Now, another one, h 5 multiplied by between brackets space plus space, complete the space. It is 9 plus 2. Excellent math champion. Now, this is similar to the first example we have learned, and let's read it together. The swim team has 45 members and diving team has 27 members. If the coaches wished to divide the teams into groups and have all of the groups from both teams be the same size. First requirement, what is the greatest number of team members who could be in a group? Second requirement, what is the expression that represents the total number of members? We will go and solve the first requirement, which is the GCF. He wants the greatest number of teams. And we have the requirement what? The GCF will be between the 45 and 27. So we have two numbers, 45 to 7 or 27. This is the requirement. This is the given information. And the requirement is the greatest. First requirement is the GCF. Let's go and who can tell me what we will do? Yes, prime factorization for 45. And let's see what is the factorization. Yes, 45 is 5 multiplied by excellent 9. And 9 is 3 multiplied by 3. The second number is 27. 27 is 3 multiplied by 9. And 9 is a 3 multiplied by 3. So we will write the prime factorization for both numbers and consider the common factors. Yes, this is the 45, 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 27 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And take care that we have written the common factors under each other. Okay, the GCF will equal the 3 multiplied by 3. So GCF equal 9. Excellent. So this is what? This is the greatest number of teams. Now let's go to this next requirement, which is what is the expression that represents the total number of members. It is what? It is the 9, which is the number of teams, multiplied by the number of divers plus the numbers of swimmers, which is 5 swim members and diving members is 3. And this is the scenario. This is the second requirement. Now the homework is the Mu'asir, page 41, and consider all the examples, of course, has been taken from a Mu'asir book. Okay, hope you have understood lesson. It's very easy. You will easily solve it. If you have any problem, don't hesitate to write to me in the comment box, and I will come to you back answering any question. Thank you very much and goodbye.